Principles of design, unity, and harmony. What are the principles of design? In the visual arts, the principles of design are rules and guidelines to making and understanding great art. Like contrast and emphasis, rhythm, pattern and repetition, balance, unity, variety, proportion, and scale. Let's talk about the principles of design, unity, and harmony. Unity and harmony are all about working together, the art elements working together to create a cohesive whole. What's the difference? Unity is using multiple art elements working together, while harmony uses similar or the same art element to create a sense of wholeness in art. Here are 3 examples of unity in artwork. What multiple art elements do you see? Here are 3 examples of harmony in artwork. What similar or same art elements do you see? There are 3 types of unity: simplicity, repetition, and proximity. This piece utilizes color and shape to create a beautiful whole. This piece utilizes repetition by repeating the swirl lines. This piece is an example of proximity. See how close the figures are together? Some types of harmony include color schemes, similar shapes, similar lines, pretty much any similar elements. This painting by Monet uses a similar color scheme. Painting uses similar shapes, organic squares, and rectangles. What similar lines do you see in this self-portrait by Da Vinci? Let's look at some famous artwork examples. Is this painting by Monet an example of unity or harmony? Look closely. What do you see repeating in this work? Look at this painting. What art elements do you see repeating? Is it an example of unity or harmony? What will you create using the principles of design, unity, and harmony? For more art content, please subscribe at Bold Soul Whimsy, blog, YouTube, and Instagram.